Top IoT trends of 2023 in industrial manufacturing. Smart factories are emerging as the cornerstone of Industry 4.0. Over 58% of manufacturers consider IoT pivotal for transforming industrial operations. The IoT manufacturing revenue too is expected to double by 2027. This shows the uptake of IoT is poised to cross over into mainstream industrial use. Let's see what IoT trends can create a disruption in 2023. Trend 1: IoT, merging AI and IoT. IoT devices generate over 50.1 zettabytes of data, 73% of which goes unused. IoT can close this gap and unleash new possibilities with better insights. 70% of the total production cost is incurred on maintenance. Machine learning and analytics can correlate the sensor data to predict equipment failures. This can increase equipment uptime by 20%, reduce maintenance costs by 10% and reduce maintenance planning time by 50%. Trend 3: Digital twins. Digital twins result in faster, more accurate, and agile processes that can increase revenue by up to 10%, improve product quality by up to 25% and accelerate time to market by up to 50%. Sensor technology. Sensors usually collect critical data to detect and measure real-world inputs that can ensure the safety and predictive maintenance of critical assets, which is why sensor technology is trending upwards. Cybersecurity. With increasing data, the threats continue to rise, cyber resiliency of IoT systems therefore becoming an undeniable reality.